Are you going to?
Yeah, come on, come in.
Hello everyone. I'm not so sure if you all can see me, but it's right now it's 4 a.m. in the morning and we have started for our destination. Yay! So after a wait of 8 months, finally we are going outside and we are also taking all our precautions. We have booked ahead and we have brought enough snacks for the day, but we will be gone for 2 nights. It's not a very far away place, it's just very nearby, very small place, small town kind of. I hope you will all like it, and yeah, let the journey begin. As you can see, we have started in the very early morning and still dark outside. I am waiting for the sky to brighten up so that I can show you better. Currently we are still in Kolkata. It's been not even an hour we are driving. Yeah, I will share our route plans and everything with you all. Wait for the surprise. I know I haven't told you yet and I know it's too big of a suspense. Yeah, so exactly what I said, it's not a very grand location or anything, but it's just a small outing and you will like it. So you can see that the sky has brightened up finally and we have entered the Diamond Harbour Road, and I might tell you now we are going to Bokkali. So it's a semi-popular tourist destination in West Bengal. It is a sea beach. I am just looking forward to some relaxation because I have been inside my home for 8 months now, and it was like getting on to me, like getting on my nerves. So let me show you a little bit on the road. It is full of greenery. We are still 102 kilometers left on the road to go. But what I can see is that the road is pretty narrow. It is a single lane highway and there are way too many traffics on the road. I mean, not right now, but even before like 5 minutes we had to cross huge traffic for this road at least. So we are expecting to see a little bit of the river. Yeah, it suddenly appears out of nowhere. So we are at this scenic place. It's in Diamond Harbour and suddenly the river appears at you out of nowhere. You know, you are on the road and suddenly it's there. So refreshing to see something outside of my four walls, you know. We have checked into our hotel, which was having a good review regarding the safety and also the cleanliness and everything. The room is not that much big, but it's clean, and that's all that matters right now, at least to me. So there is a mirror, that's me. Then we have used this cover to just store all our things, and then we have used these 3 sanitizers to sanitize every surface that we can touch. So yeah, that mostly includes like everything in the room, and we have spent the last almost half an hour sanitizing everything, literally. So even we have sanitized the washroom. Let me show you. As you can see, it's not that big, it's doable. So yeah, right now I think it's 10. We need to order our lunch, as they said that we need to order it before 10:30. So we are going to check the menu and decide on something. So I am back. I am actually on our hotel's terrace, and this is such a beautiful place. We just came up here randomly, and wow, you can see that this kind of basil leaves and all other trees are randomly they have planted it here, and also you can sit over here. Wow, I really like it. And another cool thing, I don't know if you can see, but there is the sea. And now we are thinking of just going outside and just exploring a little bit on our own. So we are going by foot, and we are just going to check out just the nearby places, maybe the seaside and everything. Yeah, we found a good shortcut to go to the sea beach, and walking along the path we have a companion here, some more friends along the way. Walking and walking. So the road is clean and nice. The weather is really nice because it's not too cold, not too hot. This has to be the market. So we are thinking about exploring the market in the afternoon. Durga Puja is going on. So yeah, this is one pandal. So we are here. The sea is over there. The thing is that this area is full of quicksand, and right now you can see many people are there. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but some people are there, and the authorities have already declared that they should come back because some kind of storm is about to hit right now. So, and the quicksand is also there, so the authorities also not allowing anyone to go, and they are also asking these people to come back. Maybe after the high tide is here, I can see that the water should come up to this place. The sea beach is not that much cluttered with plastics and wastage. Also, not many people are there. I have been to Digha and Mandarmani, and Digha especially is so crowded. Seaside shops, those were open, and people are doing a little bit of shopping and dating outside. The weather is perfectly fine for me. I don't like direct sunlight. The sun is not directly out. It is not hot, it is not humid. The cool breeze is going on, and it is not that much cold. You know what I mean, that kind of perfect autumn weather. Finally, it's time for lunch. So we have ordered from the hotel. Mainly we said that we need something fish. We thought we will have fish today. So they have packed everything very nicely. So far everything looks good. I cannot wait to see it. Since we did not have much breakfast, I am really hungry. Let's dig in. That's a lot of rice. We don't eat that much rice right now, but okay. So one piece of fish each. This is potato fry, or in Bengali we call it alur jhuri bhaja. Then we have some vegetable with potato and poppy seed. This is very popular around Bengalis. A very simple yet filling lunch. I can bet that everything is tasty from looking at it. Yeah, I'm just starting. I cannot talk anymore. So the vendors, local vendors that are here, they are maintaining perfect social distancing. There is row for distinct things, and it is actually quite organized. So that's nice to see. We went back to the sea beach, guys, and well, there were not that many crowds. Still there were people. There was a little bit of crowd around the Durga Puja pandal that was there on the sea beach. I found out that in the sea market, the vendors were there with the fresh fish, and then some papri chaat and all other food items. We have ordered our dinner in, and it's just something simple because we had too much rice in lunch. Ordered some roti and just some egg tarka. It's a bit runny than I like. We bought some spicy crabs from the vendors on the seaside. So we are looking forward to enjoy that. I think that would be really tasty because we asked them to make it extra spicy. They cleaned it up real nice and then they cooked it for us. So yeah, let's see how that looks. Okay. Tomorrow when I will go for sightseeing and stuff, I will try to show you guys around here whatever is worth visiting. I don't think there are that many places, especially since the Henry's Island is also closed because of the Amphan. Like they haven't yet quite recovered. I just hope that they recover quickly because tourism is the main source of income around here. Another source of income of these people are fishing and marketing those fresh fishes. They are really struggling in their life, especially after this Amphan thing. I believe that I should not bargain that much over a price of 20 or 10 rupees with these people since they are in struggle right now. That's what I believe. Yeah, I am logging off now and again I will come back with tomorrow's sightseeing. Bye.